Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great investment opportunity. Two adjoining lots sold together for a total of 7.13 acres of land with a 6,000 square feet, 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom, incomplete house, and a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom finished cottage. This property is minutes from the Sandals Golf and Country Club. Upton Road, St. Anne is a popular location for villas and beautiful private homes. A short 10 minutes drive to the beaches, shopping and dining. This is the time to invest in that spectacular country life. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
The new asking price for this property is US 1.3 million or Jamaican $200 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.